Your new phone will make your life so much easier. You've got Google. You can just click this button and ask it anything or tell it to do anything, and it'll do it.
Oh, what's a Google?
Here, I'll show you. What's the weather in Omaha?
Today's high is 75. It's currently sunny, but with an 80% chance of rain.
Bob, look! Look what this phone contraption can do!
What?
You don't have your hearing aids in, do you, Bob? Look at this phone contraption. It does amazing things. Now we don't have to watch the weather for 6 hours to see what it's gonna be like in places we're not gonna go.
I have to poop.
Oh, no, Bob.
Huh?
Oh, he'll be fine. Show me more, do more. Do more of the Googles.
Okay. Show me pictures of kittens.
Here, I found these pictures of kittens.
Oh, look at these cute kittens. Oh my lands, they're so cute.
Find me the nearest place that has bingo.
The nearest bingo game will be held this evening at 5 p.m. at Wrinkles Unite Nursing Home.
Oh my lands, I love bingo. Bob, bingo.
I still have to poop.
You can wait, Bob. Do it again, boy. Do more of the Googles.
Ooh, are you sure? It really looks like Bob's fighting off filling his pants with a hot loaf.
Do more of the Googles.
Well, all right. Show me pictures of grandkids.
Here, take a look at these pictures I found of grandkids.
Oh my goodness! I have grandkids!
Find the nearest carpet cleaners.
Oops, I Shack Carpet Cleaners is 2.5 miles away.
You're gonna need that one, boy.